What's going on, everybody? Today, real quick video, we have our new push button start switch for my 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Now, as you already know, it's in contusion blue, new color for, well, it started in 2016, and I got it made to match from Mike Fissel at S&M Performance. Came out absolutely beautiful, and it's gonna go right there. That's, to me, that's just boring. And it's not red because it's not an SRT or a Hellcat or a Demon. Obviously it's a Scat Pack. So with that being said, real quick, we're gonna get it set up, and I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to attach this overlay. Alright, so all we have to do is, without pushing the brake pedal, if you push this, it's obviously just going to turn the accessories on. So all I got to do is take the push button itself and peel it off the backing that's provided very carefully. And then lining it up now, I'm using the little icons right down here at the bottom of the steering wheel, or the push button itself, excuse me. I'm lining it up right there. Ever so gently. And just like that, we have, and that says, I don't know if you can read it, I'm trying to get a better angle. It says Vanessa's on switch. Now, at S&M Performance, you can get just about anything. I've never seen him tell someone he couldn't do a special design. If you can at least send him a picture and tell him what you want, he's going to come through for you. So all I really did is I said I wanted the Deadpool face in blue, which, yes, there was a version of Deadpool that was blue, and then told him that I wanted the Vanessa's possessive up top and then on switch at the bottom, and he absolutely knocked it out of the park, and I can't thank him enough for it. And really all I'm doing is lightly pushing this on. Oh, what the heck. Let's get a real quick start. Foot on the brake pedal. Oh, don't have my key. And there it is. That's all we got to do. That looks absolutely awesome. I believe what I'm going to do is eventually get overlays for these three buttons. I don't know yet, I haven't decided, but alright, so now we've got the new push button start switch on 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, and it looks absolutely amazing. I'm on my way to work now, and just honestly, I cannot get over the quality and the craftsmanship and the time and effort and precision that goes around it. I'm not all about, you know, show car and, you know, doing all the crazy mods that people do aesthetically and everything like that. I want my car to go fast, and, you know, I want more go and not so much show. But it's the little things. You know, this is where you spend the majority of your time with your car, is inside it. So why not have those little things that are gonna pop out at you and just be different? You know, I don't want my car to be like everyone else's. I've only ever seen one other Jazz Blue or Contusion Blue Scat Pack in person. I mean, granted, there's a lot on the different pages on Facebook and Instagram and everything else. I know they're out there. Mine is one of 30 here in my region, so I know they're there. But I mean, at the end of the day, I wanted to just give it those little tweaks that make it unmistakably mine. And I very much, urge you to go find what makes your car yours. Make it to where, it's unquestionably yours. Because that's what it's all about. That's what we as car enthusiasts, that's what we search for, is that little bit of uniqueness. And I hope that those out there that call themselves enthusiasts and relate, don't just want to be part of what everybody else is doing, because there's no uniqueness in that. And I think the vast majority of people out there now, they have a problem with just falling in line. No, stand out, do something different, be yourself, and don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid to not try. Be afraid to not go out and experience things. Because if you just do the same thing that everybody else is doing, you're going to miss so much in life. And I've really come to realize that the older I get. And I'm so thankful for the experiences that I've had. And I'm so very thankful for the people that I've met along the way. And I can't imagine this life being anything but absolutely incredible. So I know that's kind of a weird tangent when we're talking about a push button start switch, but yeah, it's just kind of where my mind's going this morning. I can't thank Mr. Michael Fissel from S&M Performance again. Absolutely incredible products, and he doesn't just make little overlays and things like that. Now granted, I've got my key fob, that I've got the Scat Pack, and now I've got this push button overlay. I'm going to get the dash plaque eventually, just because they look amazing. I like what he does for the steering wheels as well. But he's also got actual performance parts. If you need tires, whatever it is you need, can't know whether or not he's going to have it until you ask. And I didn't even know he sold tires until I asked. So it's one of those great things that you get out there and you meet new people, and it's a smaller business. He's very personable, and if you have a question, just hit him up on his Facebook page, S&M Performance. They're on Facebook, and he'll get you set up, whatever you need.